Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2022 Audi Q8? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box, cockpit fuse panel, provides protection for essential in-cabin electrical systems. It controls functions like seat adjustments, climate control, and driver assistance features. This helps maintain comfort, convenience, and safety inside the vehicle. The driver's footwell fuse panel protects various electrical features located close to the driver's area. It powers systems such as instrument cluster functions, steering wheel controls, and driver-side electronics. This ensures reliable operation and safety of key driving components. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box safeguards electrical systems located at the rear of the vehicle. It typically powers components such as rear lighting, trailer connections, and power liftgate functions. This ensures proper operation of rear-end features and added convenience for cargo use.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse. Low-profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse. Mega fuse. High amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips.